Bye.
A sudden downpour drenched the Kanto region on Sunday afternoon. Lightning and thunder were followed by hailstorms and heavy rain in Tokyo and 5 neighboring prefectures. Tokyo recorded around 55 millimeters of rain between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m., the Japan Meteorological Agency said. Power outages were reported in several wards as well as parts of Ibaraki Prefecture, Japan TV reported, adding that power had been restored by 6 p.m. The Meteorological Agency said unstable atmospheric conditions have been bringing heavy rain to southwest and east Japan over the past few days. About 55 millimeters of rain fell in Tokyo, the Meteorological Agency said. Unstable atmospheric conditions have brought heavy rains to southwest and east Japan over the past few days. We also remind you that at the moment Tokyo is hosting one of the largest sports events in the world, the 2020 Olympic Games. However, local authorities say that the peak of the storm in Tokyo will fall on this week and will not affect the closing ceremony in any way.